Hi all, today we going to show you picture-in-picture feature in UiPath. As you can see, we'll navigate to the debug tab, and inside debug tab there is picture-in-picture which is selected because you can see it's highlighted with the gray background. If you select something else, you can see it gets selected. So since picture-in-picture feature is selected, the usefulness of this feature is earlier when we used to run a debug when we would debug automation or run an automation, let's say in order to reach a debug pointer, it would take, let's say, 15-20 minutes. So in that case, if it's a web automation, you can't do your work parallelly because certain clicks were happening, certain keys were sent, keyboard keys were sent, you were typing etc. in the text box. In that case, when you are hovering your mouse etc. or you are working on an application, it can impact your automation. But with this picture-in-picture feature, it would run the automation in a particular window, and you can alongside you can work on the task. Let's say you are working on some application or writing certain mails etc. You can continue doing that, and the automation would run in a particular window. So let me run it and show you. Let me click on debug file, and you can see it's asking me for my Windows credential, and you can see I can also simultaneously work. Let's say this is kind of a page which would open in an automation. We would fill first name, last name, etc. And once the automation would start, you could see I can parallelly work because it's happening in a new window. You can see it's in a picture-in-picture window. This is happening. I can myself, and I can select keep on the top also, which would always keep this window on the top, and I can continue working on certain, like right now I'm entering a data into a website. So you can see I can select female, and you can see it won't impact even whatever I am trying to do. It will continue doing the automation. If you can see in this window, it will continue working on the automation. You can see I am also clicking here and there, but it's not getting impacted. The automation is not getting, it has done its work. So this is a pretty useful feature, and let me close this window, and this, so take control. So right now, if you can see, I can click here and there, I can click, but as soon as I disable this take control, I won't be able to click or do anything inside the window. So I have to enable this in case I want to do, but as soon as I disable, I won't be able to do anything. So let me close this, and so there is you can see I have commented out one piece of code. I want to show you. So this is a workflow where we would be it would be asking for the user input like gender, and option would be male and female, and based upon whatever the user selection is, it would select the particular gender in the same website which I just showed you. So right now the important thing to notice is target session is current. So it would do inside the PIP, the input dialog box would come inside the PIP window, picture-in-picture window. So let me, I can click on run file also. And now you will see a input dialog box would come, which would ask for a user input, and if you can see, it has come inside the PIP window. So let me just expand it. I'll select as female, it is selected female and all those. So you can see, so how we can bring, I'll show you how we can bring this input dialog box, or how do we execute a particular workflow rather than in PIP session, which is current session. We can do it. It should that input dialog box or that workflow should execute in the main screen. So let me close this, and what we'll do, we'll select it as main, target session as main, but it's giving an error. So if you see, it tells like anything when you are changing the target session value from the current one, it would say in that case whether you want to select main, or in case you want to select picture in picture, it would in that case isolated property has to be checked. So in case, so current and picture in picture would be working in the in both the cases, the dialog box would be coming it inside the PIP window, but as soon as I select the main, the dialog box would come on my main screen rather than inside the PIP window. Let me run it and show you. So now an input dialog box which has come, but you won't be able to select it because keep on the top is enabled, and this will try to always keep this window on the top, and your input dialog box which is supposed to come won't come. So let me just disable this, and I can then click, and so you can see this is a different window. This is not a PIP, it's not inside the PIP window. I can minimize it, but it would still continue like this. So as you can see, it has come in our main, like the working window, rather than inside the PIP window, picture in picture window. So I'll select as female, and if you see, it will click on female, and it will click on black tea and red tea, all these places as soon as after this. You see, it is selected. So that is a pretty useful thing to know. And another thing is, I can actually this is UiPath Assistant, and we can run the process in picture mode also. When we click on these three dots, vertical three dots, I can select run in PIP, and it's tell us whether you have tested this process automation is working correctly in PIP or not, and we say yeah, and you see the window has opened. So this way also you can, since I have already published this process, and you can see, you can run it from your assistant also in the PIP board. You can see it's running. Okay, I'll continue with the mail itself. See, it has completed. So this way you can do also. In case you want to, so there is, you can go to project setting, so in case you will run it also from the assistant, like we clicked on three vertical dots and then selected run in PIP mode. But in case if you from the assistant, you can directly, so right now if I'll click on this run button, it would run in my main window rather than in PIP window. For to run it in PIP window, we have to click on these three vertical dots and click on run in PIP. But if we go to project settings, and here you can see in the general settings there is like PIP ready, you select yes and start in PIP. You click on OK, and then if I republish this process, let me open. I'm going to the orchestrator. The package has been successfully published. Picture in picture, it's 1.01. I'll say, or you can upgrade to the latest version. I'll say confirm, and you can see it's 1.02 which has been there. And let me go to the assistant now, awaiting install. I'll click on install. Now you see, rather than run in PIP doing this, I can just click on the play button and it would open, still it would open inside the PIP window rather than running in my main window. Installing the package. Now it says job started. I'll select this time, let it be meal. I'll click OK. You can see it has checked black tea and red tea, which is the last step, and it has completed. So this is again one thing which you can, through your project settings, you can, in the general settings, you can change it. In case you want to run it in PIP using this, else you can keep it as disabled. I hope you would have liked the demo. Thank you so much for your time.